My program title is Visualization and Simulation of Technology in Tokyo, Japan. I'm Yoshihiro Kobayashi. I started a study abroad program 10 years ago.
Being able to see what's going on with the latest technology, Japan's the place to go.
When we first landed and we got the taxi to the hotel, it was kind of like a culture shock. Wow, the whole skyline is just giant towers.
Of course, it was only really 2 weeks, so I didn't really experience everything, but I was really surprised of how, I don't want to say normal Tokyo was, but how different it was from my expectations.
Once we're in Japan, we'll use Tokyo as our classroom.
From Monday to Friday, we do 3 hours morning lecture.
The first week focused on modeling.
So you learn how to build, let's say, a car and then a bus. They're called agents, like little people, and you learn how to control them and how they would interact with the environment you built around them.
And each student in that first week will pick out a specific site in Tokyo where we visited, and then they'll model that in Unity. And then the second week focused on the simulation and being able to use the Unity software for decision-making purposes.
Yoshi, he took us all over. There were a lot of tours of different companies.
We visited the Canon called Head in Tokyo area, and then they have a special museum. It's not public, and the student were so excited to play with the high-end digital camera instead of smartphone cameras. That was amazing and a new experience for me.
Yeah, my favorite was definitely the Canon tour, though, I will say. I got to play with a bunch of cameras.
Saturday and Sunday are the free time to study the Disneyland. It's good for the young people, young age, to open their eyes and then get some of the different the cultures like food, entertainment, and the sport. I would encourage the student to enjoy the life.
I think it gave me a greater kind of worldview and how to think about other places and how they might operate.
Well, it helped me really see a bunch of different kinds of industries, fields that I could go into possibly one day. And all of those different options is really motivating for me personally.
My mistake is I didn't learn enough Japanese going there, the basic hello, goodbye, thank you, please, stuff like that.
Many students, they enjoyed my program for last 10 years, and then some students are interested in working in Japan. After the program, also I arranged some of the summer internship in Japan or in Tokyo.
It's funny, almost every year we run into alumni of the program.
So if you are interested in getting the opportunities after the study abroad, I'm very happy to help the student to arrange that kind of opportunities.
Are you interested in studying abroad? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Both Fulton Schools of Engineering and the Global Education Office offer scholarships to cover some of the cost of your program.